as the ecosystem moves to a layer two roll up model, and we have thousands of applications leveraging underlying security, underlying data layers, data availability layers. How will Lava help support the growth of the ecosystem?
Looking at the three existing modular stacks, you could see that the access for developers is kind of missing from the paradigm. And Lava aims to be that fourth layer of developer access. And how we do that is we're gonna aim to fix fragmentation. So let's say we have Eclipse building an SVM machine on top of a Celestia data availability layer and Ethereum settlement. And then suddenly, how do developers access that? So do they need to now ask some centralized provider to support it, and then having up and coming ecosystems? They need a way to convince that it's worth it, that it's financial, and waiting for them to add it. Or even worse, let's say they mention having 10,000 app chains popping up. It would be so easy to set up an app chain, but if it's very difficult to develop on it because the rule set of the app chain is not readily available for applications to process, then that could actually be the bottleneck for scaling up. And with a paradigm where Lava simplifies that, Lava supports these app chains very quickly and easily. The modular specs, the beauty of it is that they can inherit existing solutions. So let's say you created an SVM, you don't need to create a new spec. You just say, hey, this is an SVM. Let me inherit from an SVM spec, define the new verifications that you need for your own solution, being it, for example, a different chain ID even. It could be the only difference in terms of data access. And then providers can serve it. So the thing is, specs are so flexible in the way that what you can bring into your existing solution without having a lot of work, that it scales very well with new chains. So for example, Berachain had their testnet very successful initially, and they had RPC problems. And Gil, our CTO, told me, hey, can we support Berachain? And immediately. And it took me 1 hour to deploy it on our testnet. And it took me longer, to get people that have the binary to actually join it. So the Lava stack actually supported it super fast. And that's how easy it is to add existing solutions. And Lava was built to support all of those solutions, supporting so many different API interfaces, being it gRPC, REST, URI, Tendermint, JSON RPC, WebSocket, you name it, GraphQL queries. All of those are abstracted by our clients, meaning that you can, just patch in your API set. You define, the rule set of the APIs, stuff like the compute units that you're offering for each API. So settlement is fair in terms of compensation and incentives to the load that you're performing. And then that's it. You're ready to go. You attract your providers. If you have a faithful community that are already running it, so they can access immediately developers. If you want to do an IPRPC endeavor, or you want, developers are profitable enough to pay for it, they have the flexibility to do so.